in central Vietnam right now, an area less frequented by tourists, but it's beautiful nonetheless. Generally, what happens when you go by a tour package, right? You will go to Ho Chi Minh City, you will go to Hanoi, you will go to, at max you go to Sapa, but not much people come to central Vietnam. But trust me, this area is actually very beautiful. Yeah, I mean, you can find rainforest here, you can find like caves here. I mean, there are around 300 discovered caves, which are actually like they range from medium to large size, and even the world largest cave here is in Vietnam only. I wanted to go for that, but I learned it the hard way that it requires some special permit to visit that cave. I think the name is Song Dong Cave. Not sure, difficult name to pronounce. But yeah, it requires some special permit, and there is a waiting of around 1 year for that. So yeah, I learned it the hard way. So sorry about that. So I'm making do with some other caves. So today and tomorrow it will be entirely cave and forest exploration. Today I'm going for this. The cave name is Dark Cave and E Cave. There is a trail via a thick forest. They say the trekking distance is around 7 kilometers. So yeah, I hope this will be good.
So my name is Tung, so I'm tour guide today.
He meant trek lead. It was no tour, it was a full-blown trek. Moving on.
For the abandoned valley trekking to 1 day. So right now we waiting for the pickup and 3 people more to do the abandoned valley trekking.
So guys, I'm at E Cave right now. This is E Cave, beautiful blue water. It's actually quite dark in there, and there is no one except from our group. There is no one, no other tourist. I mean, the trail was very difficult. Didn't imagine to be that difficult. It was very scary. It was around 6 kilometers. Wasn't much of an ascent, it was like mix of both ascent and descent, but the trail was really difficult. And the forest here is rainforest, so you will sweat a lot, and you have to be careful, like it's not for faint hearted. That is a small broken hut where we are gonna eat. We'll have our lunch there, and then we'll proceed to Dark Cave from there. After spending about an hour in dark cave, it was time to head back. And the return leg of our trekking, which was approximately around 6 to 7 kilometers, was marked with steep inclines, which is reverse of a general trek where instead of descending, we were gaining height a lot. And finally, after a super exhaustive day, our trek was complete.